Hello business owners, some of you want to use WhatsApp for bulk messaging to your customer and some of you just want to use for better follow-ups, reminders and a way to manage conversation properly. No matter which one you are, if WhatsApp is a part of your sales, marketing and support, then this video is for you. I have a solution for this which works directly on your WhatsApp web and help you to boost your business. Let me show you its features and how it works. Let's go to screen.
Starting with the first feature, which is broadcast feature. Here you can add contacts one by one, or you can easily upload a CSV file here. You can also choose to send messages to groups, label or tabs. There is a delay option available which helps control how messages are sent. Move on to the tabs feature. Here you can organize your chats into different categories, making it easier to manage conversation and prioritize your work. The third one is template feature. Here you can create message template for different use cases. You can select a template name and choose where you want to send it. One-to-one chats, groups, tabs or labels. In the template type section, you can choose what you want to send along with the text, such as images, videos, document, audios and more. From here you can add variables like first name, so when someone receives the message, it automatically shows their name inside the message. Let's move on to chatbot feature. You don't need any coding knowledge to use this. You can easily create a chatbot based on your business needs and customize how it responds. This is schedule broadcast feature. Here you can plan messages in advance and manage when they are sent. You can send to groups, one-to-one and others. Next is webhook feature. You can connect external tools so that when a new leads or event happens, the data can be captured automatically for follow-up. This is the schedule feature. For example, if a customer says that he will buy a product or service after a few days, you can simply schedule a follow-up message at that time instead of remembering it manually. Then it comes the quick reply feature. Here you can save common responses and reuse them anytime. It helps you to reply faster and stay consistent across conversation. The next feature is schedule status. Here you can plan WhatsApp status updates in advance. You can choose status type like image, text, audio and set the time. The status will be posted automatically. The next is Kanban dashboard. Here all your leads and conversations are organized into different stages. You can move chats from one stage to another as the deal progresses. This gives you a clear overview of your pipeline and follow-ups. Along with these, there are many other tools available such as contact export, module setting, CRM custom tag, data import and export, Google Calendar integration and more. This feature helps you to customize the system based on your business workflow. If you have any other queries and want to understand more about this, you can simply DM me on WhatsApp. The number is given on the screen and there is a link also in the description box. See you in the next video.